Hello, in today's demo I am demonstrating the selective filtering and collision. So this is a static version of my scene. So here I have a single object which has 5 fixtures over here. So the middle is the bird and we have a circular debug sprite around it, and I have set the color for each of the debug sprites over here. So the wooden blocks have black and the glass blocks have blue. So these are the 5 fixtures, and these are the blocks on the environment. So the selective filtering has been set for the blocks such that these blocks will collide with these fixtures only, and on top of this I have set it as these glass blocks will be colliding only with the glass fixtures and the wooden blocks will be colliding only with the wooden fixtures, and the bird will not be having any collision reaction with any of the blocks on the screen except for this stone block at the bottom. And the stone block has been set such that it will collide only with the bird, and these other fixtures will not be having any collision reaction with it. So the selective collision filtering has been done for the blocks on the screen as well as this single object for each of the fixtures. So let's see the scene in action. So this is for the multi-fixture on my screen. So I'm setting it as dynamic. So the bird fixture, the object that we saw on the screen at the top, will be dropping now. So I'll go through each second of this. So right now as it is going down, so we'll see when I resume this that the glass blocks of the fixture, the wooden fixture will go right through the glass block on the screen, and only the glass fixtures will have a collision with the glass block on the screen, and debug sprite will be, I'm sorry, a new sprite will be rendered on at the point of collision, which will be a white cloud. And then according to the physics of the game which has been set, so whenever it collides with any object it will have a jump and it will change its angle based on the angle of the colliding object. So let's see the full code in action. So this is how it happens, and now as we can see that the wooden blocks have gone right through the stone block at the bottom, the wooden fixtures, and the bird has collided with the stone block, which is why that white sprite has been rendered over there, that white collision object that is like a cloud. And when I'll resume this, so this will jump back up, and then we'll see that that wooden fixture on the object will collide with the wooden block above, and it will have a collision reaction there, and a wooden cloud will be rendered at the bottom of that wooden block at the middle of the screen. So I'm resuming it now. This is how it happens. So as we saw that the right wooden block, it collided with the above wooden block, and there it had a collision, which is the white one on the screen that we can see. So I'll let it continue for now, and then we'll see that the object comes to a rest finally over here, and only the bird is colliding with the stone block, and none of these fixtures have any reaction with this. This has been done through this class that I have created. So here I am setting my fixture, and single body has been given to all the objects, all the fixtures in the multi fixture object, and through my these class I am creating everything, and through this class I am defining the shape and fixture definition and the fixture definition. So for each of the fixtures I set the category and mask bits. So this one gives its property value, and this one says which one to collide with. So this is how this is happening, and this is also I'm passing through my method over here. In the game I am just creating a multi fixture over here, and rest of the objects has been created like it was done in the last week. And in box 2D setup, when I create the blocks on the screen, so the wooden block, it has set as its property as wooden block, and it will collide only with the wooden blocks which we saw. And for the stone we can see, I'll just show you. So for the stone block, it has a property of stone block, but it says that it will collide only with the bird. That is why other objects are not doing anything with it. So once again I'll show the code in action. So this is how it goes, and the bird only collides with this, and this collision has happened on the bottom here by this block when it jumped back up and touched this block from the bottom. So this is it for this week. Thanks.